Hi guys, so in this video we will learn what is the string and how to use string in JavaScript and what are the different kind of properties of string. So this will be very helpful when you work on any project and in interview. These types of question, interviewer may ask to check your basic knowledge of JavaScript. So using this string properties and string inbuilt functions, you can manipulate the string data in JavaScript. So what is the string? String is the text-based data type which store the value in a data format in variable. Okay, so that is the string. So now there are different properties. So now just first of all let me save and we will just go through each of the property and use of string in this video. Okay, now I'll just open into my notepad, edit with your notepad plus plus. So now how to check the length. Okay, so let's say this is my uh, my name. Okay, so the length of this string is I think 7, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so how I can check here? Console.log a.length. Just simply write length and you will get length of the string. So now if I run this one, length of string is 7, right? Now I want to check, I want to get this 2 characters of the string. Then how I can get? So it's simple, console.log and just type here, just I'm copying the same thing, console.log a.char 8. So let's say I am finding the second position of character. Now just refresh, length of string, it's not showing anything. Why? Let me check. Char 8 2 char 8 a.char 8 is the 1. You can see it's showing the second parameters. Okay, and if I just want to type first one, then it will give you the m, because my first character word is m. Sorry, it's writing the index. So index is always start with 0 in JavaScript. So now showing the m. Now this is not a length, this is the character. Okay, now go to the third functionality, string interpolation. What is the string interpolation? You can write your variable with your text, with your assigned data or with your text data. You can combine your text and variable together using the backtick, that called string interpolation. You can use the backtick. In this way you can combine your sentence plus your variable together in string data. So I am just using here dollar symbol and I am just writing here a, and here I am just putting here the same way. So now let's just check. variable of the string. Now it is showing $a. Why? Because I have not put it backtick in this one and also in this one. Now color should change here. You can see. So this way you can assign the variable into the string data. Escape character. So now what happened if you have this kind of data, right? Let's say I'm just again putting into the double quotation, and you have this kind of double quotation. Okay, so now what is happening now? It's actually not picking a string value because you cannot give double quotation in variable. It is showing the error, right? To resolve this kind of issue, if you want to put the double quotation 2 times, so what you need to do here, you should use the slash double quotation like this way, okay, and double quotation with a value. Okay, still it is showing error. So what you can do, double slash my name, you can put here this one slash double quotation, and this is one more double quotation in here, right? I am just removing from here. So this will give you 2 times double quotation, this 1 time double quotation and second time double quotation. Something is wrong here, sorry, I should put this one. Now let's run. Okay, so now it is showing, and uppercase, lowercase. So how you can apply your uppercase and lowercase? It's very simple. Console dot upper lower, so to uppercase to lowercase, my name, right? So this way you can assign the upper lowercase, and if you want to assign the proper case, you can also do like this way. So this way you will get the first character, sorry, something is wrong here. A dot character, caret 0. A dot char is a not function. Why it is showing a dot char is the not function? Oh, okay, because this is the double quotation, that's why. Let me look the issues here. A dot string, a dot uppercase, lowercase, a dot caret. Oh, sorry, C should be the small one. M, and you can just assign the remaining values using like this way. A dot char and the substring. You can use the substring in this one. Let's say my indexing is this to this length. Okay, so if my aim is small here, and if I put here So now you can see it is giving me the proper format. Okay, in proper format means first word character is capital, okay, remaining is small. So this when you can this way you can also apply using the substring function. And last one would be a slice. So slice is the same thing like substring, but it's little bit different. So let me show you. A dot slice 0, it is starting from 0 index, and this is my length, first length, no, say second length. So let's see what exactly answer is showing here. My, right? Okay, slice my, right? Slice is showing the result of my. What if I put here -6, then, or -2? Me means what? This last two character is showing. So you can also extract the character from the end of the string. From the end of the string you can get this character values. Slice is also done. Now trim. So trim, let's say I have so many space in this one. Okay, and I want to trim the data. Now still it is the string value showing, because I think it will read the data like it's remove the space from the beginning or from the end. You can see. And if I use it without string, then how it's look like? Let's see. It's showing this many strings. So the JavaScript stream is basically remove the unnecessary space from the beginning or from the ending. Now this is the done. Now substring is also done. Starts with, end with. Okay, slice is done. Now let's work on the replace. What exactly replace does? Console.log. So now I want to remove this unnecessary space, right? So how I can do this here? I will use this with this one. Now just let's check. Now still the space is there. Little bit is there. So now two more. This one. Now in this case you have to every time change the space value, which is the old value, right? So what I will do, rather than just every time assigning the old value, I can just simply write here this space, okay, and simply write here remove this double quotation, and G for global. So it will globally replace. Globally means in entire string it will replace this space with this no space value. Okay, like this way. But I want to remove the double space, not the single space. Okay, that's all for this one. So this way replace function is work. Trim is now can now if I want to combine both the string value, then I can use the concatenate function. Let's say a pipeline combine pipeline. Okay, so let's see what exactly result is showing. So I can combine multiple value using the concatenated function. Concatenate, spelling is correct. let me check on Google. Concat, spelling is correct. Concat. Oh, I think it just combined the two value. Let me check. Not more than two values. No, something is wrong. Let me check here. Concatenate log. Oh, sorry. I should apply like this way, not this way, because it's a property of string. So you can combine multiple values. Okay, using concatenation functions. Replace is done, substring is done, slice is also done. Now the next method is start with. Okay, so how exactly start with its work? It's a return the condition in true and false. Okay, let's that before we will use the find or include function. So suppose in your string containing my, then this will give you result true, as this will return the false. Okay, and if it is not my, let's say my11, so this will give you the false result. Same way starts with and end with giving the same answer, but it is checking from the it is checking the data from the beginning of the string, which should be the capital. Now this will return the false, but if I just write my, then this will give you the true result. Same with the ends with. So, but if I find this one, it will give you false result. So that's all for the string and its functionality in JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video.